Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. So today we are gonna see about data types in Java. So basically data types are used to store the values of elements such as we can store numbers or strings or else. But we first have to define its type so that the variable can understand what type of data it will hold or the size of the data. So let us see here. So in Java, a data type specifies what kind of data a variable can hold. Data types are important because they define the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored in that variable, okay, and the set of operation that can be applied to that variable, okay. So basically there are two types of data types. So first is primitive data type and the second is reference data type. So in primitive data type, we have the built-in data types provided by the language. For example, here we have got integer, float, double character and string and boolean. So these are provided by this language, and for our reference data types are objects and arrays where we give reference means where we have the location of that variable means we can access it through its location. So let us see how it is declared. So before declaring any variable, we first have to declare the data type. Here as we have declared the data type here, then we have to declare the variable name, and then whatever element we have to give, we assign it here. Okay. So commonly used data types examples are given below here. Let us see one by one. So first comes our int. Int mean integer. Integer is a whole number which contains no decimal. Okay. Whole numbers basically the number which start from 0 and run till infinite. Okay. So here is the example given here. So int weight1 is equals to 55. So this is a valid integer value. Okay. Means assigning an integer value directly. Here it is valid means we have given right here. But in invalid case we will see int weight 55.5, which is invalid because here decimal has came. We cannot give decimal in a whole numbers. Okay. Here also is given invalid because attempting to assign a decimal value to an integer. Okay. Then next comes our float. Float, it only gives output with 7-digit numbers. Okay. Did you understand that it can only give output till 7 number? If you give more than that, then also it will give only 7 numbers. Okay. So with a decimal point, and it also includes decimal point in it, or less than 7. If the number of digits is 7, it will round the last number, otherwise not. If there are more numbers than 7, then it will round up the number after the 7. Okay. And it will give the output till 7 numbers. Did you understand? And if you give less number, means less than 7, then it will print that number. And here it is important to give suffix as f at the end. We have to define f as a suffix as we have given here and here. If we give more number than 7, then it will show you numbers till 7 digits only. Okay. Now next comes our double. It only gives output with 15-digit numbers with a decimal point or less than 15. Okay. It only gives output with 15-digit numbers. Okay. If you give more than that, then also it will give numbers till 15 digit. Okay. Did you understand? And then comes our character. A single character means a letter. For example, we get grades in our results like A, B, C. Okay. But we cannot include plus or else anything. As you can see here, A is valid, but A plus is invalid because we cannot give more characters than one. Okay. In a single one, in a single variable, if that is a character, then we cannot provide more than one letters or anything else in that case. Okay. Then next comes our string. String is a sequence of character, as we all know, like words. And now here it is shown properly that whenever we have to assign this string, we have to use double quotes, or we can also use single quote. But here in character we only can use single quote. If we didn't use single quotes, then it will become an error. Okay. Then in string we have to use these double quotes. If it doesn't use this, then it will show us error. Okay. And then we have boolean. So boolean only gives us true or false value. It cannot take any other value beside true or false. Okay. For example, here it is given boolean is valid true. This is a variable name. This is a data type and this is its value. Okay. So we have assigned it value true, assigning the boolean value true. So it is correct. And here we have assigned 23, which is not a boolean value, as we can only assign true or false in a boolean, so it is invalid. Okay, did you understand? So this was all about data types. So now let us see us with these examples. So here I have taken the code here. So here first we have defined integer. So here first we give integer its data type, then we give the variable name as weight, then we have assigned it value 80. So this is the example of an integer, and after that we have seen that this is our printing statement in Java. If we use println, then it will print the output in a new line. If we will use print, then it will show the output in a single line only. Did you understand? It will not break the line. So here we have given the output as weight, so weight is 80. So let us run this and see here output has came as 80. Okay, and if I give string here, for example, if I write anything like Khan here, then it will show me error because we have defined integer here, so we cannot give anything else. And I will also show you by giving decimal here. For example, I give 66.5, so it is showing error again because it is an integer. We cannot give decimal here. Did you understand? So we will clear this and we will comment it to show you next one. So wait a second. So next we will see float. Okay, let me uncomment this. So this is our float where we can only have number till 7 digits. For example, here I have given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have given 11 digit. If I run it, then it will only give me output till 7 digit. For example, here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which includes decimal 2. So decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits are given here. Likewise, if I give less digit than 7, so let us give only 2 digit after decimal. So it will print is as it is. Okay. So here we have given 46.12 and here we also got 46.12. But remember that we have to assign f at suffix. Okay, to assign float. So let me comment this and move on to the next example, which is our double. So as we have learned that double can only take values till 15 digit. So here we have more than 15 digit. Let us run this and see what output will it give. See, it has given output till 15 digits only. Okay, did you understand? Now comes the next. It is now character here. Let me uncomment this first. As you can see here, we have defined character as its data type, and then we have given the variable name, and this is our variable where we have given a as a variable as an character. Okay, so let us run this and see a has got printed. If I try to give another value in it, it will show me an error. Let us see. I have given plus here and it is showing me error. Okay, you need to understand here only one character can be given in a character. Okay, so next comes our string. So to assign string, we use string at beginning. Okay, and s should be capital in the string. As we have given string here, then the name as a variable name, then we have given string Ikra technology. Okay, and here is our printing statement. So if we run this, it will show us the output Ikra technology, which is string. So if I try to give this without quotes, then it will show me error. because string cannot be assigned without double quotes. Okay, do you understand? So we will give its double quote back. So let's comment this on and see the next example. So here we have boolean. So as we have learned that boolean can only store true and false value. So here we have assigned it as a true value. So if we run this, it will show us true. See, true has been printed here. So we can only assign true and false value in the boolean. Okay, did you understand? And if we will try to give another value instead of true, then it will show us error. For example, if I give any name here, then it is showing me error. But if I will give false here, then it will be correct. Okay, so boolean can only store true and false value, and we have to define boolean properly with capital B. Okay, you understand? So let us comment this out, and here we have the task for you at the end to practice and get better understanding of it. So here this is a question which you have to practice with yourself. Okay, and here is its output to understand how the output should be. Okay, so today we saw data types in C#. Thank you.